Tired of losing and ready to dominate the court with superstar talent? Let's upgrade your squad by diving into buying players in NBA Live Mobile. First, tap on the auction house icon. It's your gateway to player acquisitions. It typically is located near the bottom of the screen on the main menu. Now, fine-tune your search. Use the filters to find the exact type of player you want. Tap on the search icon, which enables you to filter by position, team, overall rating, or program. This is critical to finding what you need quickly. Once you've found a player you like, tap on their card to see their stats and price. Examine their overall rating and stats carefully to determine if they are the best fit for your team. You can either place a bid or use the Buy Now option. Buy Now gets you the player instantly for the price shown. Bidding can save you money, but it's not guaranteed. If you select Buy Now, confirm your purchase to add the player to your roster. Make sure you have enough in-game currency. Click Confirm and that is it. Head to My Team and add your new player to your lineup. Now, get ready to take your game to the next level. Good luck out there, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more NBA Live Mobile tips and tricks.